Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, shortcut key for shape tool in Photoshop. Let's get started. See this. See this shape tool. Right click and now see this U. Shortcut press U on your keyboard. Then hold shift. Press again U and follow this change shape. See this. Follow line tool, custom shape tool, rectangular shape tool. Press rounded shape tool, polygon. See this again. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.